Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through an easy step-by-step guide on how to transfer USDT from Binance to MEXC with a zero fee charge. So to get started with the guide, so the first thing to do is to log into your MEXC account. So navigate to wallet. From there, click on deposit, then select the USDT as the cryptocurrency. Then from there, choose a network with a lower fee such as TRC20 or BIP20. Then from there, copy the generated deposit address. Then the next thing to do is your step 2 is to initiate the withdrawal on Binance. So to do this, log into your Binance account, then go to the wallet section. From there, click withdraw and select USDT as a cryptocurrency. Then from there, paste the MEXC deposit address you copied earlier. Then choose the same network you selected on MEXC, for example, TRC20 or BIP20. Then enter the amount of the USDT you wish to transfer. Then after that, review the transaction details, including the withdrawal fee, and confirm and complete the withdrawal process. And that's it. So after that, you can also wait for confirmation. So the transfer times may vary depending on the network congestion. So once the transaction is confirmed on the blockchain, the fund will appear in your MEXC account. And that's how you can simply transfer USDT from Binance to MEXC account. Find a video helpful, turn on the notification button and make sure you subscribe for more. Thanks.